Hello, thank you for checking out A1 Math, and today we are looking at rotation. In my previous video I did translation and reflection. Now I'm going to do rotation, which is the turn. Now, in order to turn, you need to look at it like a clock, and usually you're either turning clockwise or counterclockwise. So either we're going to turn this shape this way or this way. Now clockwise, if you look at it as a clock, this would be 12 and 3, 6 or so. So this, your order goes this way for clockwise, and it goes in reverse or left for counterclockwise. Now what we're going to do is something called the paper turn trick, lack of a better name. And in order to do that, what you want to do is these 3 steps. Okay, you're going to list your points. You're going to turn the paper the opposite direction and then graph the same points on the new axis. Okay, so that's how you get the shape. That way you can get your points and everything in there. Okay, so let me show you how that works. All right, so first, I've got my points Q, R, and S for this triangle. And here they are right here. All right, so I've got the points written down. And what I want to do is turn in the opposite direction than what it says, and turn a certain amount of units. So I'm going to turn 1 unit for 90 degrees. So since it's clockwise, this way is where they want me to go. I'm going to turn opposite. Okay? And I recommend that you write your points on a separate sheet of paper so that when you turn it sideways, it's not hard to read like that. You can put it here. Now these are your beginning points. Your points on the end, you want to go ahead and write those down on your same sheet of paper. But now that I have it turned around, this was my old y-axis. Now it's x, it's going left to right, and the x-axis is going this way. In all honesty, they don't change, but it's real easy to just plot the points now. So all I gotta do is go like I've always gone with my points. I can go to the left 2 and down 2. Make sure that's right. Okay, and that was my point Q. So I'm gonna put my Q prime here. And you may need to turn it back around so you can make sure you write your letter correctly. All right, next, I'm gonna go ahead and do my R, which is, I'm gonna go to the right 3 and down 1. And write my R prime. All right, now finally, S, 0, negative 3, 0, and down 3. Write my S prime for that one. And now I have all my points here. Okay. So I'm going to take a straight edge and go ahead and make my lines. Okay. Now we go back to our original shape. Can you see it's been turned 90 degrees around the origin here? 90 degrees this way. All right, now my final step is to write my new points here. This is going to be negative 2, positive 2 for Q prime. And I'll see the prime mark there. Q prime is negative 2 and positive 2. S prime, going back 3 and up none. R prime, going back 1 and down 3. Okay. And now I got my new points. And that's a 90-degree rotation. Okay. For an 80-degree rotation, what you want to do is instead of turning once, you're going to turn all the way around. So let's take a look at this other example where they want us to go 180 degrees. So I'm going to turn all the way around here so I can make my shape over here for my rotation. All right. But first, I got to write down my points. Okay. G, F, and E. G, -4, 3. F, oh, that's E first. E, 0, up 2. Back 1, and up 4 for F. Let me make that clearer. Okay. Now, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it, not 1, but 2 spaces here, or 2 turns. And I'm going to go ahead and write in my points. So, first I have E, G. So G is going to be back 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 3. All right. And I'm going to turn all the way around so I can write my letters correctly. That's G prime. All right. To do E, it's going to go 0 and up 2. All right, so that's E prime. And finally F, which is back 1 and up 4. And now that's F prime. Now I'm going to take my straight edge and connect my dots. Right. And it doesn't look like it's been flipped all the way around there. Well, I should say turn. All right, now I'm just going to write my points here for my new triangle. All right, so G is going to be G prime, and the coordinates for it is over 4 and down 3. So E prime is going to be over none and down 2. And then for F prime, it's going to be back, it's going to be over 1 and down 4. Sorry about that. Now, so that's what we have. That's a rotation, and that's pretty much it. So remember, with 90 you turn 1 block, 180 you turn 2. If it's 270, you would turn 3. And again, I want to thank you for checking out A1 Math. Have a nice day.